We'll guide you through how to change shape of image in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create more visually appealing designs by shaping images into circles, logos, or custom forms. It is especially useful for social media posts, profile pictures, and branding. Beginners also look for this guide to learn simple Photoshop techniques that make their edits look cleaner and more professional. To change the shape of an image in Adobe Photoshop, start by opening the program on your computer. Click the Windows Start button, type Adobe Photoshop in the search bar, and when it appears, click Open to launch it. After the application opens, prepare the image you want to edit. Click File in the top menu, then click Open or press Ctrl O, select your image file, and click Open to load it into the workspace. Next, make sure the Layers panel is visible so you can manage your image properly. Click Window in the top menu, then select Layers, or simply press F7 on your keyboard to display it. In the Layers panel, double-click on the image layer to unlock it, and when the dialog box appears, click OK to confirm. Now, go to the toolbar on the left side, click and hold the rectangle tool icon, and then choose the Ellipse tool if you want to create a circular shape. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the shape that will define the new form of your image. After creating the shape, move the image layer below the ellipse shape layer in the Layers panel so the shape sits above the image. Then, right-click on the image layer and select Create Clipping Mask. This step will apply the shape to the image, making the image follow the outline of the ellipse. You will now see that your image is cropped into the selected shape. To refine the result, click and hold the image, then move it around to adjust its position inside the shape until it looks the way you want. Take your time to position it correctly for the best composition. Once you are satisfied with the final result, save your edited image. Click File, then click Save As. Choose PNG format to preserve transparency. Enter your desired file name, and click Save. Finally, click OK to complete the saving process.